Hi and welcome to 60-second face yoga. I'm going to be showing you a technique which really helps the skin on the forehead to glow, and it also helps to reduce lines and wrinkles in this area. So just taking the knuckle on your index finger and you're just going to gently move up the area between your eyebrows. This is called your procerus muscle, and it's an area which does tend to get quite tense and quite tight. So this just helps to relax any tension in this area, so therefore reducing and preventing lines. It's also very good for helping to stimulate the circulation and the collagen elastin, so it helps to plump and firm this area as well. And you can just follow that by just using all of the knuckles and coming all the way across the forehead. Again, it really helps to reduce and prevent lines and wrinkles in this area by releasing tension, but also again very good for helping to boost the collagen, elastin and circulation, so giving your forehead area a wonderful glow. So just taking 3 more to finish, and gently bring your hands back down.